66 party leaders. The election results seems to have made broad, stable coalition possible. Trump agreed to purchase our oil and gas in large quantities, investments from affluent South Korean companies. Businessmen will surpass $600 billion. South Korea agrees to pay USA $350 billion for lowering tariff. Trump plans to appoint White House aide Ryan Basch as FTC commissioner. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Globex Asia Sessions trade. The slowest, but the largest. All right, guys. I hope all of you had a great day today. New York session. It was an absolute holy moly, up, down, incredible. It was not as surprisingly crazy as I thought it was going to be. We had a very indecisive candle towards the end. It started off with a pullback down to 26,000, and we got a bounce into the 26,004, and then we kind of ended up in that 26,222. That would be kind of like a happy medium, back 50% retracement. It was the monster session, everybody. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for being here today. ASI, Fly, what is going on? Colbrack Mix, Brian Fathoms, DJ in the house, Kid Poker. The Trump market is relentlessly every day, new all-time high. I hope all of you had a great day. Tell me if all of you had a good day. Tell me. Lower your Discord notification. I actually set it up on mute, so I don't have that. I don't have that with me. Oh yeah. Yeah, what a tough. I think it was a tough day. I mean, I kind of like the fact that, you know, the market was chopping right from the start, right? That kind of gave me a chance to kind of play a little bit easy, right? Like, even if I made a mistake, I could kind of curl back up again by adding to my position. You guys know I love scaling into my trades, and kind of survive throughout the whole entire day. With an exception of one account, man. I have no idea. There's one Take Profit Trader Pro that towards the end I had a limit order, it looks like, and it kind of got triggered, and that account got blown even though I was kind of like on a limit order to the downside. That's the only one bad kind of a negative about today, but overall it's fine. I had a good day. Thank you guys for being here. Michael Giano, what up, man? A long time no see. MKE Trader, Ox Squad, man. It's really hard to pronounce your names, man. I don't even know what to do now. How am I supposed to call you guys? YouTube is absolutely, I don't know if they messed up, but I don't know what it is, man. Why is it the username kind of popping on this chat? Anyways, my name is Art. Yeah, that's easy, Art. With no fear, easy too. I get that. Kid Poker is the only one that's literally the same thing. Anyways, guys, I've got some small little thing I gotta do right now. I've gotta do something really quickly, and that's to request a payout, guys. All right, I'm gonna do something very quickly, guys. Just bear with me, everybody. A lot of payouts at stake right now. Bear with me. Yeah, might as well just do this in front of with my fellow traders, I guess. All right, guys, here I am. I've got 5 accounts. I've got to request a payout right now. Let's see if some of them it could be a windfall. Okay, so I'm not sure. We'll give it a try. I've got 5 accounts right now that I've got to request a payout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll go ahead and do that right here, right now, very quickly before this market opens, guys. All right, so 1 I've requested. I've requested $2,000 right there. We'll do another one. This is another $2,000. Holy mochaccino, guys. That's 2. And then the third one. Oh, so this is $1,300. Maybe this could be not possible. I don't know. Oh, there we go, guys. I can't request this. So, oh my God. 0.04. You gotta be kidding. 0.04. Incredible. 0.04, guys. Try to wait. This is what? 650? We'll do that too right now. 650, that's it. That's a windfall 38%, so I can't do that. So we'll try another one. 2000, oh, sorry, 19. I'm gonna max out on these. All right, guys, there you go. This too, I can't request a payout because these are windfalls, right? Let's give it a try again. Maybe it's a mistake. All right, guys. Okay, so it's 30%. Wow, 30.04. All right, guys. I requested 1 to 3 payouts right now. 1 to so pretty much 6,000, and I also got approved for $2,000 this morning. So there I am. That's $6,000. Let's see if they get approved. It's definitely gonna be an important one. It's gonna definitely help me for sure. So here it is, guys. I requested a payout. $6,000, guys. And I just got an email from Apex. The one that I got approved today. This one right here. They're sending this right now. Incredible. Incredible, guys. That's pretty quick, you know. When it gets approved, it's pretty fast for some reason. Lately, it's been. So, another $6,000 here and another $2,000 that's approved today.
The markets are open.
Guys, the market's starting right now. Let's kickstart the day. Let's smack the market. Let's get something out of this market. We are pulling back a little bit.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Let's
Order
see.
filled.
I'm gonna trail into my trade, guys. Let's see if we get a little pullback down. Gold is dumping. Yeah, I think this market is gonna bounce. I'm gonna try long on a pullback. Sorry, guys, I could not get a chance to read the chat. I'm so sorry, guys. I think we got Amazon earning coming out tomorrow. Kelly Kaufman, what is up, man? SI. Deal ended. I'm trying to purchase another Apex, but it's not giving me 80%. Oh yeah, call Conaldo. Just wait. I think they're gonna come back with their 80% off. Right now, I think the promo ended yesterday. Chase, what up, man? Chase, Kid Porker, AB, Trade. What is going on? You changed the handle? It is easier. Nice. Puck Boy, what up, man? What is up? You ready to make 100,000 tonight? Oh, well, I don't know, man. I have no idea. Thank you guys for being here today. I think we have Apple and we got some others. I can't remember. I think it was Amazon. Amazon definitely there today. Scalp the open candle for 13 points.
Order filled.
Oh dear, we are getting a pullback here, guys, in the overall market. It looks like this market is going to be very volatile here between now through the rest of the week, I guess. So just be careful, guys, if you guys are trading. And what else is there? When was the last NQ read? We had a few reds, but the few reds were not being too meaningful. That was funny. How did everybody do today, guys? For $1 million giveaway with no fear. Yeah, guys, man, I'm sorry, man. I'm trying to figure out a better way to do giveaways going forward, right? Or so just bear with me, everybody. I'm gonna do, yeah. So we'll hold on one second, guys. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here down. I've got 3 micros in here right now. So yeah, from a overall trading and payouts perspective, this is really all I can ask for, right? I had a lot of good trades, and you guys obviously see me trade New York, right? You guys see me trade Asia. I made some really good trades, and I kind of feel like I'm building that confidence, right? And also, from a payout standpoint, I'm executing my trades in order to get payouts, and my payouts are actually kind of rolling in, right, on a regular basis. If it's not going to be an Apex accounts that's getting me a payout, then it's like Take Profit Trader. If Take Profit Trader is taking a little bit of a breather, then it's like funding ticks, you know what I mean? Something is consistently rolling in, and that's the beautiful thing about this, the whole process, right? This trading journey is that you work hard, you execute your trades, you bank profits, and eventually you get to payouts, right? And that's really all you can ask for as a trader. And I'm very grateful to be able to share my journey with my fellow traders, right? Not just a little show, but real actual trading with real accounts, payouts, you know what I mean? This whole trading journey has been so much fun. Imagine if I'm just doing this myself, it's gonna be boring. And you guys sharing your journey with me, with us as a community, it doesn't get any better than that, guys. Look, all the payouts, guys. Look, you know, we've got a lot of payouts. Everybody's sharing, you know. This is such an inspiration. I'm looking at Bowser's payout. He's got $2,000 pending. I'm curious, and I want to know how quickly will Apex actually end up approving this. You know what I mean? Like, it's very important that we all, as a trader, we all share our journey, our payouts, our P&L. I think it's very important. It really is an inspiration. Great job, Bowser, man. Another $2,000 right there. How many payouts did Bowser actually end up getting? So many. Another Take Profit Trader as well. Lots of P&L. Look at that. Like, this is such an awesome thing, right? It really helps We've got, I think it's ROA trades. I forwarded this to the payout section, but ROA trades with the Bielanox. You guys know I've been so bad with Bielanox. You know, I'm like, every time I see Bielanox payouts, I'm like, you know what? I am like, I better get this thing done. You know what I mean? So I'm definitely probably the first one to get so inspired to see you guys get payouts with Bielanox, because I've been just so bad, you know. And yeah, a lot of things, man. My funded futures hit out $2,600 on his first scalper, and I think he's got this account still running, up and running pretty hard. So, I mean, thank you guys for sharing your payouts and your PNL across the board on a Discord. It's truly a very important thing, I think, for a lot of traders. We got a lot of newer traders as well, right? So, anyways, thank you guys. Oh my God, look at that! Oh my God, I didn't expect this to come. Holy mochito, look at that. Woo! Anyways, guys, we are getting a little pop, and I have 2 accounts. I'm trying to get over the minimum threshold, or $50,000 on 2 of my Tradify account. So we'll see if we get there today. I'm gonna try and be a little more aggressive with my trading with my Tradify accounts that hit DLL, 2 accounts. So we'll see how it goes with that. 200 points dump. I mean, I don't know if we are actually gonna pull back. Looks pretty good to the upside now. Let's see what it does at the VWAP here. Coupon for my Bielanox is expired. Tiger, I think it's still the same. Everybody's using that right now. So Tiger is still up and running. TIGER with capital T, or maybe without a capital T, it doesn't really matter. You still have the same. Oh, it expired yesterday. Oh, it expired yesterday, guys. Hold on one second, guys. Oh, it expired yesterday. It ended yesterday. It's now 75% off. I think they're gonna bring back their 83%. So just wait for like 75 is pretty bad. So like, you know, I don't think it's a good idea to kind of load in the 75% off on Bielanox. I think probably just wait till they come back with their 83%, which I think they will. They'll do an extension, I guess, right? Just give them a day or two. I will get my my promos updated again. My apologies, guys. All right, so now we are back here again. I wonder why am I in 2 contracts? I thought I was in 3. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna. Oh my God, I'm gonna 5-minute chart. All right, guys. I think we filled the gap. We kind of gap down. We filled the gap, and now we're pushing up. It's gap and go. Retest the high, maybe 275. We'll see how it goes, guys. Nice, beautiful bounce. Let's see if we can actually continue moving here to the upside. I'm gonna try and hold on to this. I'm kind of imagining if this was a mini contract trade, would have been really nice. Let's see. I'm gonna try and add to his position right now. I hope this isn't gonna give us a pullback here down. All right, I'm gonna add to my position, probably up to 5, maybe.
Order filled.
All right, guys, here we go. Filled. All right, it's getting filled. And I'm gonna. Oh, hold on one second. Yeah, I'm gonna place my hard stop here at the break even. Okay. So if it ends up pulling back, it's fine. But Trader07, what is going on, man? Buy the dip, sell the rip. Another gap up, maybe. Eval about to, oh my God, Kid Fucker. All right, so I went long right now. I'm looking for a bounce back at least into the 260 here, and then to retest the high. We'll see how it goes. And then I'll try to take one more off the table along the way as well. So we'll see. I want to add a few more if I can, but Do we get a pullback? Maybe. Maybe we get a pullback. What is up?
Order
Full
filled.
tilt future. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Mochaccino. This this is real. All right, guys, we are getting a bounce right now, which is great. I don't mind. I absolutely don't mind a push, man. It's pretty strong. So there must be some kind of a news that the Microsoft is still moving, right? The Microsoft is still moving. I wonder what sort of a news do we have? Well, Microsoft is down 3.5%. What the hell? What is moving the market right now? Oh my god, Alphabet 7%. Guys, holy cappuccino. Alphabet is up 6.5%. Yeah, Google is up 7%. No wonder. All right, so the Microsoft is down about 3.5%, and the Google is up 7%. So I guess I don't know. Interesting. Do we just rip to the upside? Is that what it is? All right, guys, I'm gonna try and add to my position here, guys.
Order filled.
You know, I'm gonna try and add to my position, and I'll put a hard stop here. I want to be like kind of risking about once. Let's see. How much do I have money in this? I've got $1,000, so let's try to see. I'm gonna risk about $500 on this. Okay. Time to go low on a day, really? Oh my god. So, then it's like time to short the market. That's not good. All right, at least for now, let me try to long, because we are already up. It kind of feels like it's trying to push to the upside. I may be wrong, but I don't know. Nice. It was instant. Imski, man. Yeah, Imski also got a huge payout, by the way. Imski, man. I'll show it to you guys right now. Holy mochaccino, look at that, guys. Oh mamma mia, look at that, guys. $1,800. Oh, 17, 16, 16, and another 16, guys. 5 accounts across the board. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible, guys. Good stuff. Good stuff. Imski, man, awesome job. Awesome job. But we have a little problem. Market's pulling back now. Oh my god. So Google, Alphabet is up 6.5. Microsoft is down. Oh dear. Oh dear. Maybe I should have taken my profits at the top there. I was kind of looking for a bounce back up again, but we are pulling back now. This is not looking good, guys. This is not looking good at all. I'm not happy. A big red bat candle trying to poop right now. Back down again against the VWAP. I don't like that. But you know what? This could be a little fake. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we hold this. And that could have been a rejection of that. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Dan was right. Now, this is going to be a very important level, of course, right? Let's see if we get a bounce off this level now, or I'm going to be disappointed if we pull back here. That's a pretty bad rejection of that level. Jeez. Yeah, that's an easy 40 points, man. Why is it? How is it like 40 points right now? Yeah, that's a 40 points dump. I don't know, man. I'm still holding right now, yeah. I'm holding a bad bag. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, the market's very volatile right now. I can see that happening, right? We're not even Asia. I mean, we're already 40 points pullback here. We had 60 points bounce and a 40 points pullback. Incredible. Yeah, it's not looking that great, to be honest. That's a pretty nasty pullback there, all the way from that 243, sorry, 243 to 250. We are right at the VWAP now. We're gonna have to watch what it does, but I don't like this at all right now. Oh my god, it's pulling back here, guys. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm only $700 away.
Order filled. Order filled.
Risking the whole account now at this point. Let's see if we get a bounce off this level now. We just crapped underneath the VWAP, so if you flush down, then I'm gonna be very upset, of course. Give me a little balance, please. A little bounce back up again, please. Into the pivot. Can we do it right now? Thank you guys for being here, everybody. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. And if you guys want to see the market bounce, then yeah, baby. Let's get those likes, everybody. I'm really hoping I get approved on my payouts that I made $6,000. $6,000, guys. I wish this gets approved today or tomorrow, please. I need the $6,000, everybody. So $6,000 here and a $2,000 there. I'll get pretty close to 30K, which is great. Maybe. I need this approved for sure. I need this approved, and I got another one going tomorrow, another 4,000 tomorrow. So we got 2 more days to go for the month to be over, right? So we still have some time. Not the end of the world. We still have 2 more days. So I need this to get approved. All of this to get approved to get to 28,000. And then I'm going to request some more tomorrow. Hopefully that gets me over 30K. Hey, we fought, guys, man. We fought for this glory. All I really need is I need these approved. And then we need another 2,500 maybe tomorrow to get approved as well. And then nothing else. That's it. And that's gonna get us to over $30,000, guys. We worked hard, all of us. What a glory! Very, very hard earned. We worked hard. We trade hard every day. Whether we win or lose, we all cheer for one another every day, guys, man. It's so much fun. I think without this community, I don't think I would have come this far, to be honest, man. Once again, thank you, everybody. My day was good. Overall, my day was good, yeah. Overall, my day was good. I wouldn't complain. If you go to the P&L section, guys, you see I'm trying my little best. And, of course, all our fellow traders, we have a lot of great traders, by the way, who are sharing their journey with us. You know, we value this, right? This P&L tab and the payout tab is extremely important. You know, like we've got, look, Bowser kicking ass the market right now. I like, you see, you take a look at the Bowser's P&L. It's very obvious that Bowser has been copy trading 5 accounts. You need a big ball to like copy trade 7 accounts, 5 accounts like that during the FOMC. Right? Great job to Bowser, for example. You got Buildbox master accounts. Right? Look, 5 straight days in a row. Right? And very simple trades. Very consistently, a couple $100 every day. Take profit trade, the same thing. And this is me right here. And that's my trade today. So that's my trade that I did today. I had couple red. I don't know why the couple red's not showing here, but I had couple red. Where's my couple red? I thought I shared. But anyways, look, right? Imsky. This is what he requested a payout. That's the P&L as well today. That's crazy, man. Oh, there we go. This is my red today as well. So yeah, lots of P&Ls here. A1 sharing the P&L 741 on a funded account. Lucid, Bowser sharing. Everybody sharing, guys. Scalpster sharing as well. And I will share this with everybody during live, just so you know. So you've done a great job. Please share with us, because I would love to share your journey with everybody else as well, right? So, but great job, Insky, man. That's a huge payout right there, including myself. I've got $6,000 running the line. We'll see how this thing go. Hopefully this get approved tomorrow. If not, then oh well, it is what it is. Anyways, going back to the trading now, guys. I've got 7 contracts now, and we are kind of like I don't know, man. There's a couple of news that's obviously happening now. That's Alphabet earnings, and that's coming out as well. Yeah, Bowser only 5 micros. Yeah, I mean that's some sick trade, man. Like, I wouldn't be able to copy trade all my accounts like that, you know. That's a good job. Jay, what up, man? Did you blow any accounts? I blew 2. I showed you that 2 accounts that I just from a P&L tab. All right, everybody. I'm looking for a little bounce. I don't know if you're gonna get that. Like, Alphabet looking pretty good right here, right now. Over 6% up after hour. I don't know. I wonder what the Microsoft is doing. So Microsoft pulling back and Google getting a bounce. Very interesting, guys. And Microsoft is actually pulling back over 3.5%. So there must be something cooking behind the scene that we don't know. Maybe the conference call isn't over yet. So a little bit of a mixed bag, I guess, right? From a tech earnings today. And I wonder what it's going to be looking like for Apple and Amazon tomorrow. Right, Amazon laying off employees. I don't know if that's going to be good or bad. Some say it's going to be good because now you're going to be laying off. It's not like they're laying off because it's they're not doing okay. They're laying off to kind of streamline their operations, right? And then eventually it's gonna reflect on their P&L as well, which I don't know. I kind of stand right in the middle. I'm kind of neutral. I don't know if that's going to be bullish or bearish, to be honest. We'll see how it goes. Sub 26,000 coming tonight. Yeah. Maybe. I kind of feel like, we get a bounce, but see how it goes, man. I mean, we're kind of like, it's a flip of a coin right now, right? We got Google earnings. The conference isn't over yet. So the conference is still going on right now. And the Microsoft, right off the bat, we had a bad earnings, right? They missed the earning, and we're gonna have to wait and see how that actually end up with the conference call. Both conference call, I think it's ongoing, so it's not over yet. So it's fingers crossed. It's not gonna be like that, we're gonna have to wait and see. Maybe I should have just waited until the conference call is over, but again, I'm trading a Tradify eval that's hit the LL, so just might as well just trade this. Meta is down. Oh yeah, I completely forgot about Meta as well. So I wonder what the Meta is doing right now, man. Why did he screw up? What happened there? What did Zuck do? Zuck is a nice little guy. No, he's a young gentleman. He's like 10 years older than I am. I'm only 17, so he's like 27 or something like that, right? Oh my God, Zuckerberg down about 7.5, a little less than 8%. I completely forgot about Meta, guys. No wonder. Oh man, I completely forgot about Meta. I was like, you know what? If Google is up 7% and if Microsoft is down about 3, the math isn't right. Why is this market pulling back? You know what I mean? I guess I see the reason why. We got Meta pulling back 7.7%. They're down $60 right now. Thank you, Meta. Thank you for taking my account down, you bad boy. You silly Zuck. Zucka. All right, guys, man. Because of Zucka, now this candle's right underneath the VWAP. That's a little problem. Now I've got something I can blame now. I'm gonna blame it to Zucka, and the Mucka, and the Meta. So it's not my trading. I did nothing wrong in my trading. It was all his fault. There we go. I need some more discounts in this freaking tech stocks, guys, man. They're so expensive. I need to load in more long-term portfolio, but I can't do that at this price. You know, I mean, higher price is good, right? But it doesn't give you a chance to like kind of load in. You know what I mean? So that's the problem. Even though all of you, including myself, we all have a long-term portfolio, it doesn't really matter how much of a size that we have. But at the end of the day, all of us, in one way or the other, we have the long-term portfolio with us, and we're all banking, right? But we also gotta get a chance to kind of be able to load in, and in order to do that, we gotta have some consistency and not like freaking rip like 200%. On mega cap stock that's like $1 trillion company. Incredible. Oh my God, market, come on, you little silly dirty Asia Globex, whatever you guys want to call it. I hate you. Thank you has not still got me. I mean, it's okay. It's all right. God, you know, lately I've been really hating Asia so much. Long gold? Are you guys trading gold right now? Oh my God, look at this, down about 3.5 now. Fucking slow grind to the downside. Help me out, please. All right, guys, I only have $600 drawdown, so I might as well just 4, maybe here 7. Yeah, I mean, if we pull back all the way down and retest the low here, 155, then yeah, this is gonna go. So well, let's just do it, guys. And Rian, what's going on, man? Art, what up? 39.66. Are you guys shorting gold right now? Scalp for $10. Let's go, baby. Oh, I kind of smell Apex approved me. I kind of smell that, guys. Ooh, baby, let me just go check right now. Ooh, baby, no, I was wrong. I thought I got approved, but I'm not. I did not get approved, everybody. Not yet. Not yet, Stock Tiger. Decline, no, inside, please. Please don't. I need it approved, guys. It's huge. This is gonna be a huge monster. I need that approved, guys. Apex, did you hear me? Did you hear me say I need it approved? 2000 times 3, guys. I need that approved, Apex. Oh my god, improper risk management. Don't ever say that ever again, please. But you know what, guys? I got approved on the last one, right? So I kind of feel like, ooh, maybe, you know, I get lucky. I don't know. Nobody knows, guys. I think we get it, guys. I think we get it. We get approved on that. We make a few more requests tomorrow. And then everything is capito, guys. Everything is looking perfect right now. You know, I kind of still wonder why the heck I have this Tradify. I've got one Tradify account that I've been trading. My consistency is still $100. Weird. Sorry, not $100. 100%. I'm very mad. Biggest day divided by the profit since payout. So I don't understand that. Yeah, maybe it's the. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's look for rocket launcher bounds. We've got some more earnings coming out tomorrow. Another big day with Amazon and Apple coming out with their earnings after the close. So it's gonna be yet another roller coaster. Today was surprisingly not a huge move, even though it was like 400 points. 400 points, right? We had a 400 points, yeah. It's a 400 points range today, which is actually quite significant, but I mean, not from a FOMC and three of the biggest earning perspective, right? I mean, I thought we were gonna have a much more volatility, but somehow the market was definitely a lot slower, in my opinion. It could have been a lot more exciting, but yeah. I think today's market, I don't know. I did not think anything, like, it didn't really surprise me today at all. I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, did you guys actually get surprised with how it actually turned out to be? You know, I kind of felt like, you know, right in front of the FOMC, we're gonna squeeze up, and then as soon as the FOMC, the conference, what do you call this? When the Fed chair answers questions, Q&A session, I realized that the market may end up getting a pullback. But of course, I mean, even if I knew, I obviously did not trade accordingly, right? I was kind of like on a sideline for most part. But then after the earnings, after the FOMC, the earnings did not really move the market though. Weird. I don't know. I mean, it was a weird FOMC and weird earnings. Even though we all said everything may have been priced in and baked in to the market, the squeeze that we got in the last few days was pretty much, you know, in relation to FOMC and the earnings, and yet we did not really pull back at all because we had a big squeeze to the upside, and then we just literally just gave that back, but we did not really go back down at all today. So weird day to say the least, but. Mixed bag for sure. And I hope all of you had a great day. How did everybody do today, guys? Facial funding takes it slow. They usually take about 24 hours to kind of process your money and take your funds away from your account. Yeah, I mean, everybody is pretty much the same thing. Even Take Profit Trader takes a day now. Weird. I mean, the only thing that's was actually interestingly, it's funny enough. Apex was actually pretty quick. They approved me in less than a day, and they also paid me in less than a day. That's weird. For that $2,000 that I got approved this morning, was it this morning or yesterday? I think it was yesterday, right? 29th. So it's today, this morning, and I just got an email a couple hours ago that the money is going to hit my bank account. So it's pretty cool. All right, guys, are we gonna get a pullback here, or are we gonna get a bounce, man? I think this market really needs to make up its mind. I kind of feel like, getting a bounce off that 179 makes me kind of feel like, we try to squeeze back up again. We'll see how it goes, guys. I'm still holding long on 7 micros. I'm really looking to get some kind of a squeeze back up again. Let's see, guys. Let's see if that was a short-term bottom here, 181. It really boils down to nice ROA trades, man. Locked in top step payout number 2. Awesome, man. Great, man. Today was the perfect day to do that. I only had 1 XFA. Now I've got 2, and I'm waiting for 1 more now, but I had 1 XFA, sorry, not 1 combine, which, funny enough, I made over $3,000 during the FOMC, but I realized it's what do you call this? $3,000 in 1 day. So maybe a little less than 3,000, maybe $2,400. So I had to kind of give up those profits back again. What a waste of time and energy. Anyways, I wonder what this market's gonna do here, guys. I want to place my limit orders now. Get ready. I'm gonna try and get ready. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade, guys. I'm gonna exit that trade. Might as well try to, man, damn it, guys. Very annoying. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and go with NQ now. It's pretty much like a chop fest right here. A biggest chop fest. Nothing really truly meaningful. There we go. Oh my god, are you gonna tell me you're gonna get a bounce right here? The VWAP bounce, are we gonna push it down? Powell speech blew up 8,000 Take Profit Trader Pro account. Really? I mean, were you actually? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Like, you shouldn't be touching Take Profit Trader Pro account on FOMC to begin with. That's really the last account that you want to be touching, to be honest, but I don't know. I mean, I'm sorry to hear that, brother. It was choppy today and managed to squeeze out profit earlier this morning and left, yeah. Yeah, that's a huge amount. $8,000 is actually pretty huge. God, this market, guys, man. Oh my god. Oh, come on, NQ. Like, you've got to be kidding me. All right, let's see. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback here down. We'll try to go long. All right, we'll see. So I've got this account here with me. Where's that account? Here is this the one? Right, so this is the account. Oh man, I missed that one day as well. I missed that Tuesday, man. I keep missing these freaking accounts. I can't believe I missed that trade that day. Anyways, I made this profits, and yet it's still showing 100% consistency. So it's weird. Huh. Yeah, I had a rough, like, I think it was mid-month, October. I had a rough time, man. This market was very difficult, and I ended up getting cooked pretty much in a lot of trades that I was getting into. And somehow I kind of crawled back up again. Obviously, I ended up almost getting close to blowing this account, but then I called back up again. You know, I've got like $5,000 right here, $5,000 profit, but the consistency is still 100%. So I'm kind of like, okay, well, what is going on right now? But I mean, not the end of the world. I'll just get trading. You know, I'll just get trading. We'll just keep trading that account, which is fine. I'll just keep building profits if I can, right? You know, I'm gonna try and make a couple $100 every day for the next, I don't know, 15 days, and all my profit's gonna be like $8,000, and then I'll be, you know, just trading. And this is gonna be my third payout on that account. So you're still waiting for a payout from Rice from trade day? Yeah, Rice is pretty slow, man. Honestly, Rice, oh man, I don't like them at all. Like, personally, I hate it. I hate it. I think Rice is not good. Me personally, I don't like them. I like Plain better. You know, I like Wise better. All right, and trying to pull back here. Let's take a look at the gold now. I guess maybe it's time to trade gold. Gold is trying to get a bounce, but I don't know if this gold. Still, the gold is lower high, right? Well, the gold is lower high right now. Wow, I can't believe we actually ended up pulling back here into the 44. Right? We had a nice target. We said we're gonna see gold get a bounce back into the 40. But it surprised me that we actually ended up getting a pullback all the way down to the 35. Weird. And that's a wild gold. I honestly, so far, oh man, I don't know. Maybe you try to get a bounce back into maybe 70 to 80 before we get some kind of a pullback again. I don't know. Yeah, I think the first thing is maybe we try to retest the 66, but is the gold moving the market though? I don't know. Let's try to go long on gold. Let's try to go long. I mean, micro gold, maybe. I don't know.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'll try to go long here, guys. Let's see how it goes. We got a resistance. We got to get past this 60 though. So let's try to long gold. and add to my position on a pullback down, maybe. Okay, so that's what I am gonna do, and we'll try to target 170. So let's just go back to the MNQ. Yeah, the NQ not really doing anything, right? I almost kind of feel like this market is it has not Asia seems like it's just gonna be this throughout the rest of the day, I guess, right? Maybe you're gonna have to wait until Tokyo, right? Maybe you're gonna have to wait till Tokyo, guys. So maybe I'll try to trade gold in the meantime, because gold seems to be moving better than NQ. So probably better off trade gold, I guess, at this point, right? It's definitely moving better than NQ. What is up, man? Alan, what up, man? Raj Tish, ASI, Olga baby, C Joe in the house, man. What up? RTS, Kelly Kaufman. Little overbought, careful. Oh, really? The gold is overbought right here, right now. I want to see 300 points dump tonight. On what? On NQ? That's gonna be silly, guys. Why no one trades alpha futures? That's okay. Interesting. I have no idea. Is there a reason why we have to trade alpha futures? Are they good? Anyways, man, I've got to find a way to trade all these accounts to begin with without copy trading any of these accounts. I'm definitely struggling. Adding one more. I don't know if I have what it takes to kind of add anything more than what I have, to be honest. It's going to be incredibly difficult. But I'm trying, but it's I don't think it's going to be easy. I've also got to trade Apex on my Rhythmic too. It's crazy. And I've got to trade my Onyx too. My Onyx. Sorry, not the Onyx. The Funded Futures Network here as well. I'm at $1,100. I guess I'm gonna have to make another $1,000 to kind of get to the funded stage and get a payout. Maybe. I want to pay out with this Funded Futures Network, guys. So I'm gonna try and play this in tomorrow, not today, and see how it goes. Yeah. Yeah, so it's so far we'll see how it goes, everybody. Looks like Top State, they don't set you MLL after payouts, so keep your drawdown. Not sure. Never heard of alpha. There's alpha features, but I don't know. If nobody's talking about alpha features, it means there's definitely a reason why, right? It may be good for a few, but yeah. Let someone else take a risk. If you use them, take your profits at any chance you get. Yeah, Kel Kaufman is right. We got a lot of traders, like even trading funding ticks. Taking a lot of payouts. You know, we've got I can't remember his name. The trader P&L updates at about 9 o'clock at night, okay, Eastern time. And then the payouts, approvals, and all that takes place midnight. Yeah. Which firms don't have evals? Direct to funded accounts, man. What kind of a question is that? Which Trong Hong Dao. Wow, what a beautiful name there. Trong Hong Dao. Guys, man, big shout out to Trong Hong Dao. Let's go, baby. A lot of firms have S2F accounts. Tradify announced. Oh yeah, guys, man, instant funded accounts. I don't promote, like, obviously you guys see I've got this banner with with Tradified lighting funding accounts. Those are direct to funded accounts, right? They've got a 45% off, but I'm not promoting direct to funded accounts as much because me personally, I don't like it, right? So I don't want to call out something that I don't like, you know. But I know a lot of you guys love direct to funded accounts, and these obviously Tradify offers are pretty attractive, to be honest. I did the math. I was kind of looking at their 25k accounts, and it was like a little less than, what was it, $200 if I'm not wrong. Actually a pretty good deal. 45% off is actually pretty good. So if you guys are trading and if you guys want to support the stream, yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, everybody. You personally don't like the direct funded accounts, cause most of them are 20. Yeah, you know what? There's two reasons why I don't like it. One of the big reason is obviously the 20% consistency, and that's why I don't call out as much. It's hard to, well, I guess it's not really hard, right? If you are one of those traders trading micro and you guys are always sticking to 3 micros, for example, on an average, give or take, no matter what happens to the market, and you're like every day a couple $100 and you're willing to trade for 60 days, for example, across maybe 5 accounts, then yeah, then I guess the lightning funded account is actually a pretty good deal, right? From a pricing standpoint, actually it's good. It's really, really good. I think that's probably the best in market for sure, by far, right? So 45% off direct to funded accounts with Tradify is definitely the best deal in town. Absolutely. But me personally, I just don't like the the direct to funded accounts in general. That's why I don't call out as much. Now 20% is just not my thing, you know what I mean? Sometimes when I want to attack, I want to be able to attack. Like, I don't want to think about 20%, you know what I mean? So if I'm gonna get a 50k account, the most I can take is like $200-$300. That's all you can do. $200-$300 if you're 20% consistency, right? Gold was nasty during Powell talking. Yeah, it does look like it was nasty. I can see that. It got a bounce into the 46, and then you had a dump. I wish I was there. I never, like, you know what? When I'm trading on my phone during the New York session, because I'm not streaming, I don't talk to anybody, and nobody talks about gold in front of my face. So it's like I completely forget about gold. Like, I don't even look at the gold at all. The only time I look at the gold is when you guys talk about gold, and when I see gold, like gold on our Discord. That's pretty much it, right? Other than that, it's like I don't take a look at the gold at all, like during when I'm trading on my own on my phone. $600 with consistency on $600 with consistency on a 50k. Really? If it's 20% on 50k account, I think it's like, oh, maybe you're right. Yeah, maybe about $500 to $600. Yeah, that's right. Chris Sendo, MP3 in the house, man. What is up, man? Why did your handle change? That's you gotta ask YouTube. I think YouTube's changed everything now. I'm not gonna say it's good or bad because I don't want to get I don't want to be mean, but somebody can say if it's good or bad. I'm neutral. Ha ha ha. Adam, what up, man? Adam, you can do like $600. Oh, I see. Yeah, you're right. The direct funded accounts. Oh my God, guys, what is this market trying to do? Are you serious? And the NQ is not doing anything. The gold is not doing anything. What are we going to do? What are we supposed to do, guys? What else can we trade? Come on. Oil, gas. What else? crude oil. What the can we trade? Oh, crude oil is actually pulling back here, guys. Gold, nothing there. The Bitcoin, let's take a look at the Bitcoin, guys. Oh, Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, but nothing really there too crazy. The Russell is trying to get a bounce back up again. I don't know. There's really nothing, in my opinion, right, to kind of trade. Nothing. I don't really see anything there. All right, back to I guess the gold trade. I like the gold. Maybe a short term bounce back into maybe 70s, maybe. Right, maybe we're in that bottoming process of kind of like getting a bounce back up again, right? So maybe we try to pull back down into this level. Maybe we try to pull back down here, and then we try to get a bounce back up again. So we'll see how it goes. Expecting a little bit of a liquidity grab here in this level. We got a VWAP here too, so it kind of pull back down. Wouldn't surprise me into the 46. So let's try to trade gold. Let's try to be nice and strong and kick ours the gold today. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you truly want to support the stream, thank you so much, everybody, if you guys have already done that. If not, that's fine too. Yeah, there you go. We are getting a little pullback here down. Is this gold going to make some move here today and make my day, or are we going to get a pullback here down? I still hate gold, guys. Just because I'm trading gold, that doesn't mean that I still hate gold. Do not like gold, guys. I do not like gold. But because this NQ is not moving anything, right? Look, gold. Look at the NQ. NQ is not moving at all right now. I can't be trading NQ when it's really like not even a couple points. It just sits there forever at the same spot. I think by now it's gonna have to decide what it wants to do, though. I think this is what it's gonna do, guys. Woo! Right? And just sit there in this range. I don't know. Yeah, NQ is just not fun. So we'll see, guys. Gold also pretty much nothing really. But I kind of feel like you still get a little more bounce back in gold than NQ. We'll see, guys. I've got my limit orders now, so. Oh, Kelly Kaufman, just ignore Streamlab. Streamlab is being grumpy today. Streamlab is being grumpy. Oh, Domino's, man, I like that. Oh yeah, baby, let's go, Bowser, man. You deserve it, man. With all that payouts, well deserved. Blocking Streamlabs. Yeah, I know. You don't post links. Yeah, I get it. Oh my god, gold! No! I'm moving my limit order. Well, I mean, it's hard to trade this Globex Asia, guys, right now. Really hard. It's been hard for the last couple of weeks already. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun lately trading New York, and of course, you guys obviously see me trade live New York as well in the last couple days. And yeah, it's been definitely a lot of fun. I really kind of enjoyed trading New York lately. It's big swings, you know. It's yeah, you know, taking very base hits like in out pretty much all day. Not looking for some big home run trades. I think that's really kind of helped me out, as you guys can see from my P&L standpoint as well. It's I've just not been looking for something huge, massive. You know what I mean? Pretty much all my trades are like a couple $100 every day. Trying to build accounts, trying to have a great month of November and a greater month for December, right? That's all really I'd be doing. At the same time, getting a lot of payouts as well, right? I don't know what else I can do now, right? I've been not just streaming Asia, but of course you guys know that I've been streaming New York as well. You guys see me pretty much every day, including New York, a few times a week. Just make sure you guys hit that notification bell, guys, if you guys want to see me go live New York. I go live New York a few times a week now, so that's a lot of fun. You guys know how I trade, you know. It's a lot of fun, guys. Getting a lot of payouts, making a lot of trades, you know, getting a lot of base hits, couple $100 across a lot of accounts. So yeah, losing a lot less accounts too lately, so that's good. That's been very helpful. So I'm looking to see if we can actually continue that streak, that momentum for the next few days. Hopefully we finish the month pretty strong for the month of October, and that we have a great start to November, guys. All of you, including myself, I would love to have a great start to November, and I would love to see you guys also have a great start to November, because it's gonna be a huge month. November and December is gonna be a huge month, right? Two biggest month of the year. We are pretty close to ending the 2025. Congratulations, guys, man, for finding a way to kind of survive this trading journey for the last 10 months. Tiger, I see you more than, yeah, I know, man. I see you guys more than my family too. You know what? That's kind of funny, right? I see you guys more often than my family. If you just compare from an hourly standpoint, if you do the math, I probably see you guys much more than anybody else, including I chat with you guys a lot more, not just in the YouTube chat during New York, during Asia, Globex, but also on our Discord too, right? So we've become part of a family now, you know, part of a family. We're just getting bigger and bigger, our community, as we grow. It's pretty cool if you just think about it. And again, over 300 viewers right now, concurrent viewers. And thank you guys for smashing the like as well. And we are getting a bounce in this market. Gold finally helping me out. There we go, gold. So thankful. Man, NQ is riding that. Oh my god, I don't even want to look at the gold NQ right now. Incredible. How can this NQ not even move, guys? Let's just maybe take a look. I told you guys. Look at this. Look at this NQ. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Wow, incredible. NQ. Wow. I mean, I love you, NQ, don't get me wrong, but not today. Is this how it's supposed to be? You've got to be kidding, bro. Come on. I'm pretty sure you could do better than that. I'm going to complain about NQ today. Come on, NQ. Oh my, look at this gold. Gold is moving. While NQ is kind of like, ugh. We did the same thing yesterday, Stock Tiger, during the time frame. I know, we did the same thing. That's right. That happens. I just see you now. Do you live in New York? Oh, yes, sir, man. Yeah, man. I go live in New York, not every day, but a few times a week. You want to see a machine gunner trade with a lot of micros trading? Then yeah, you want to hop in. If you want to hear a lot of auto fails, a lot of micro trades, like a machine gunner, like 30-40 micros in out, like all day long, that's a lot of trading. Then yeah, then you definitely want to see me trade New York. I've been a little bit more careful lately, yeah, for sure, yeah. I'm like, I don't want to lose any accounts. Go slow, Stock Tiger. Can you trade gold with Lucid? I think so. What's the problem? Hey guys, man. Hey, we have a little problem here. JQ3000 is telling me you look like a 40-year-old. Okay, that's a little problem. Okay. I think Mr. JQ is trying to troll me now. Guys, man, we got a little problem here. Definitely not very happy at the moment. The gold is pulling back, and we got somebody calling me a 40-year-old. Please stop trolling me, please. All right, 30. I don't know, man. I mean, I probably guys, man, I'm not that old, right? I'm not that old. Just because my hair is kind of funky today, because I had a rough day, man. It was really windy outside, and I've been running all day, and so running all day, trying to trade on my phone. You guys know how difficult that is, right? And like, when I get into a wrong trade, I'm like on my phone. I'm like facing on my phone, and I'm like F. And people are watching me. I'm like, they're kind of going, what the heck is wrong with this guy? Oh my God, gold. You are never going to disappoint me, right? I got a little excited here for a second, and then it's like, boop, all the way down. From 59 back down into the 52s. We just literally lost about 7 points. Great job, gold. I had a little bit of respect on gold a few minutes ago. I'm gonna have to take it back, guys. Now I don't know. I may have to not trade gold anymore. Look at this NQ, guys. NQ is just not moving at all. Is it just this Onyx chart, or is it? Let me just take a look, guys. Oh yeah, it's not moving at all, guys. Oh my God. NQ is not moving at all, guys. NQ is not moving at all. Look at that NQ, guys. This NQ is definitely scary. I think it's a calm before a storm, but I don't know which direction it's gonna go. But look at the dump now, guys. 192. I may be better off just move to NQ, guys. Maybe not trade gold. I don't know, man. I like the gold to the upside, but if this is how it's gonna be, I don't know. This is going to make age faster. GC, I don't know. I think trading itself is kind of making traders age faster. I think, in my opinion. You know, trading itself, like, as soon as you get into a trade and when you're oversized, you are so stressed, that's when you know you're gonna be aging pretty quickly. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are using direct funded accounts, that's great. You know, I like all the, you know, you guys have my support. I'd love to see you guys succeed with direct funded accounts, but I just I've got a code, but I just don't support it as much, right? That's really what it is. I don't want to keep saying there's a great offer. It is a great offer, but I just don't want to say, you know, say out loud every time, because I'm not a big fan of direct funded accounts, as you guys know, right? That's the problem. I don't know. I mean, I just kind of feel like, you know, it's purely because I kind of worry about my fellow traders, because at the end of the day, we got to get payouts, right? We are trading this to get payouts. I don't know, just because it's direct funded account, I don't know if that's going to get you to a payout faster and more payouts faster, right? And that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, what's the deal? Like, what's the purpose? Just because you want to have a head start, right, and pass a couple stages, are you going to end up getting your payouts faster? And that's $1 million question. I honestly, like, I think I don't have a factual data, of course, but in my humble opinion, I think you probably get a lot more payouts just through regular process. You know what I mean? So we got Xi Jinping and Trump having a little conversation, I think tomorrow or today. Like Asia, I think maybe today, this morning. I think tomorrow for us, for the US and Canadians, or North America, if you will. The time zones are a little different, of course, right? So I think for us, it's going to be tomorrow morning. We may see them have a little cuckoo chat, and maybe, you know, anything can happen, you know, right now. Like Xi Jinping coming to Korea to have a meeting with Trump itself is a big, massive progress. We accept that, right? We agree to that, but I kind of feel like all of the, pretty much all the good news are kind of baked in. Right, so we're gonna have to see their agreement, and we're gonna have to really see what the outcome is, right? And then maybe the market will decide to be a little more excited and push the market back up again. But I think honestly, it really boils down to I think the tariff meeting, Xi Jinping and Trump. If you get a bad news, I think the market pulls back 3-4%. So we gotta have a good news to kind of hold the market, right? I think it really boils down to earnings, though. I think earnings, Apple, and what else was there again? Amazon and Apple earnings tomorrow. I think that's really gonna be the catalyst, in my opinion. I think tariff is just gonna be a noise during that process, but I think earnings, Apple and Amazon, can they hold the market, right? Or can they save the market is the question. I don't know when they're meeting. Maybe they're meeting in 6 hours. Who knows? I have no idea. Gold news are priced in. Bad news are not. Yeah, something smells definitely. We're gonna have to watch. I don't think I'm gonna be able to swing trade anything today. I don't think I can hold anything today. I'll be honest. It's gonna be hard for me to hold anything overnight, because there's gonna be a lot of swings, in my opinion, like, and maybe a big swings, right? 100 points up down, while we are having our beautiful dream at night. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, Xi Jinping's actually arrived in Korea now. Yeah, Xi Jinping's actually in Korea now. So I think an hour ago he's arrived in South Korea. My homeland. Market wants a breather. Could be, but yeah, Xi Jinping is here in Korea now, guys. He is here. There was a little bit of a talk about, will Xi Jinping actually make it to Korea, right? And then he is here now, so that's good. So he's there. We know he's gonna have a meeting with Trump now for sure, or DT's not gonna be happy about it. I think they're gonna have a good meeting. It's just that I don't know if that's really going to make anything difference to the market, though. I think it's really all about earnings. At the end of the day, guys, man, whatever happens to this market, earnings is gonna save the day, and earnings is gonna dump the market too at the same time. So the most important thing, in my opinion, at the end of the day, is earnings, right? All right. Yeah, I mean, oh. Oh man, guys, I've got two tournaments that I think I registered for. That's Ninja. Was it Ninja or Funded Next? I don't remember exactly what it was. Including Tradify's Grand Cup, but I don't even know where the accounts are. I don't even see the accounts, so I don't know what the hell's going on right now. Might as well not even trade those, but it doesn't really matter to me. I don't even think I have the time to trade the tournaments, to be honest, but I wanted to get into these tournaments. I wanted to get into yeah, I mean, I don't want to be too regular because I've got a lot of things to do, obviously with our own accounts, right? So, but I would like to get into like 1 or 2 at least in a quarter. One second, let's take a look. Yeah, we're pretty close to like Globex Asia, so Tokyo is kind of getting close. Yeah. Gringo, what up, man? 한국에서 트럼프를 칭찬하다. Gringo, man, you're great in Korean. I like that. Last night you were shorting NQ and got smoked from Trump tweets, so be careful, everybody. Yeah, man, he could just tweet. Maybe he's caught, like maybe he's shorting NQ. Who knows, man? Or maybe he's shorting QQQ. You guys know Pelosi actually closed her, cover her short position. Gringo, you're trying? JT's action in the gold SI, not NQ. Day traders activation fee is $130. That's expensive. Yeah. So day traders, I trade. Well, not I trade. I would like to get into day trader, but I'm having a little bit of a tough time to kind of like justify a reason to do that, right? If Apex is only gonna get you to 5 accounts, then yes, I would have easily gone to day trader now. But I mean, Apex offers you 20 accounts, and on top of that, you got an $85 activation fee. So it's kind of like, and it's not like they are not promoting $85 activation fee on a regular basis. They do it all the time, right? So I'm not okay to pay, even if it's 90% off on their evals, and that's, you're still paying like $33, and on top of that, activation $135. That's gonna be like $165, right? So it's gonna be $165. I don't know if I'm okay with that. You know, Apex is gonna be 85 activation plus $35 eval. That's, if you do the math, it's $115, right? So you're literally paying $50 more with day trader. The only real big difference is that they've got a Project X and Apex has Trade8, and give or take, they're all the same to me. So it makes no difference, absolutely no difference at all. So I don't know, that's the only catch, right? If Apex is only gonna offer you like 5 to 10 accounts, then yes, I would have easily moved to day trader as well. I mean, as an addition, right? It cannot be a replacement, but it's just an addition. And that's the only oh guys, 1 second guys, we have a little problem, guys. Oh my god, no, oh my god. Guys, man, all right guys, I'm gonna have to exit my gold. Thank you, gold. Thank you, gold. Oh my god, what was that, guys? Something was smelling. We all knew that. Something was cooking. We all knew that. We all knew that, everybody. No, I'm not sure what to even go about this price action here. It's like, what are you gonna do when it's like this and then it goes like that, right? You're gonna have to look for 50% retracement back down, I guess, right? But is it actually going to pull back here? I think, remember I told you Xi Jinping is actually in Korea. He just arrived now, like like about an hour ago. So let's look for another level of resistance now, guys. We actually ended up breaking out of this pivot here, which is going to be, which was very important. Now we got a little bit of resistance that we got to take a look at. Right, we got resistance there, 246. That's a resistance there. So there you go. We are getting a pullback here down. So 50% retracement back down will be the 216. All right, guys. I'm gonna try and scale into this trade using micro, guys. So watch me do that.
Order filled.
But what was that pump, man? That was literally about how many points, man? That was like 40 points pump. Holy mochaccino. All right, guys. Financial juice, yeah. Hong Kong Monetary Authority reduces base rates by 25 basis points. So South Korea to construct nuclear-powered submarine in Philadelphia shipyards. That's what Trump is saying. South Korea is constructing nuclear-powered submarine. I don't know if that's a good news. South Korea agrees to pay the US $350 billion to lower the tariff. Is that a good news? I don't know. Trump agreed to purchase South Korea's oil and gas in large quantities. What does that got to do with this IQ pumping 40 points? What? Tell me. I think it's Xi Jinping, right? Xi Jinping arriving in Korea. I think that's what it is. I think that's the big one. Oh my god, really? Mag, you've been holding? You've been holding NQ? Look at you, the killer, the monster. Mag. Guys, man, we're getting some kind of a bounce here. Or maybe it's maybe more than that. I think it's the I'm telling you. I think the guidance, sorry, not the guidance, the not the earnings. We all know the earnings, the Meta, Microsoft, and the Alphabet, but I think maybe it's the conference call, right? I think it's the conference call that kind of came out pretty nicely. Google up 6%. Microsoft is maybe getting a bounce in Microsoft. Let's take a look. Oh, actually, Microsoft is still down about 3.5%. So there's got to be something else. It's weird. Microsoft down still 3.5% even after the conference call is over. Alphabet up 3. Sorry, Alphabet is up 6%. And the Meta is down about 7.5%. They literally lost about $60 right now. Meta sucks, man. All right, so somebody's like, there's gotta be something else. I think Xi Jinping arriving in Korea. I think that's what it is. I think the market is getting a little excited here. We got 30 more minutes for Tokyo now to open. Things are looking pretty exciting now. Now finally the market's moving. I think the market just got pissed, and that stock tiger kind of making fun of NQ. Maybe that's what it is, right? The number one day trader during Globex. Is Powell is going to crash the stock market?
Order filled.
Yeah, you know what, guys? Yeah, maybe I kept thinking about a squeeze, a final big push higher, right? I don't know. I kind of feel like, you know, we have one more attempt to push, and then I think we dump. Coming into November, I really feel November is a month that we're gonna start to get a lot of volatility, but to the downside. And again, I could be wrong. We've been saying this all year, and the market did not really, absolutely don't care. But I think finally, we are getting there, guys. Finally, I think it's time. Yeah, I kind of feel like, you know, we could get something like this, right? So let's say we are right here. Maybe we get another attempt to push, and then it's gonna be rollover down, right? I kind of feel like this is what it's gonna be. This one, right? And this is gonna be in November. What do you guys think? I kind of feel like we have one more attempt to push the market up, and then we have a massive rollover back down again, and then the December would be kind of like recovery, right? It's gonna be a short December, by the way, right? You got a lot less trading days, so it's gonna be a low float, low volume, kind of low float grind, and then the year's gonna end right there. I don't know. Who knows what this market's gonna do? Nobody knows, but I'm just saying. Somebody asked me, what do you think about this? What do you think about the market overall? From an overall perspective, so I was just responding back, but who knows what this market's gonna do, though. I mean, in the month of September, we all expected the market's gonna pull back, and guess what the market did? We're at $25,000. We're now at $26,000, $300. So we just literally ripped $1,300, okay, in a span of like 40 days, a little less than that. Incredible. Johnny, what up, man, brother? What is going on? On Tradify, if you pass the growth challenge with end of day drawdown, will you continue to have end of day on a funded account? Oh yeah, absolutely, sir. Absolutely. Most definitely going to drop before a good bounce by the end of December. Yeah, I mean, you know, a lot of things can happen. You know, we are going to react, right? We're not predicting as well, but we are just having a little bit of a conversation, right? To try and gauge the overall perspective of this market, because this market obviously had an impulsive, explosive push to the upside, and we are having a little bit of a, you know, a frank conversation here, and try to see what it's going to look like in November, right? That's all it is. I mean, today itself was kind of surprising to me, because I was expecting a little bit more of a pullback down, but we didn't do that at all. Like, you know, we had an initial pullback, but then it's like it all-time high again at 380 or something like that, and then we start to get a pullback, but it's kind of like back into the break even. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. Is this the real Mochaccino? What the heck, guys? You got to be kidding, guys. Oh my god. You do that? No. All right, everybody. Yeah, somebody asked me, can you go 300 mini contracts? I'm like, no way. No way. The smallest day trader. The smallest day trader. I'm a micro, man. You guys can call me a micro. 300 mini contracts, man. I can never do that. Absolutely. Yeah, it's definitely for gamblers. Yeah. I mean, we're not seriously, it's small little trades right now. It's Globex Asia. The Tokyo is not even open yet, right? So trying to be cute and trying to go aggressive right now, yeah, that's the gambling. But I've only got 4 micros, so I'm okay. I'm right before the gambling, so I think I'm okay so far. I'm mingling. I'm testing the water with 4 micro right before we get into Tokyo. I wonder what Tokyo is going to bring into us, guys. How is Tokyo going to respond to what happened today with FOMC and of course the earning as well? Are they going to get excited and pump this thing back up again, or are they going to take profit? I think I kind of feel like, maybe they take profit. Maybe initial reaction would be pump, and then they take profit and pull back the market. What was that pump though? When I was like 40 points pump, I have no idea. More money Tokyo session. Is it the double top on gold? I did not take. Don't know what the gold is doing right now. Yeah, Wisdom Pure. I will take a look at the message a little bit later. I think you got some really nice idea. Yeah, for sure. Oh my god. Now Asian markets give me a trauma. I wonder how it's gonna look like when I if I trade Asian market in let's say in Korea, for example. Is it really gonna be the same thing? How's it gonna look like? It's gonna be like 7:30. Trading in Korea at 7:30. Oh my god, guys. Oh, you've got to be kidding, guys. What a beautiful fake.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just adding, guys. I may end up blowing this count. I don't really care at this point now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we get a little bit of a bounce back up again so I can kind of take it off. I wonder if he's going to do that right here, right now. A little bit of dead cat bounce maybe could be possible, or no. This is it, guys. Oh my god.
Order
Give it to me,
filled.
man.
Order
Let's go.
filled.
I should have added more a little bit earlier, but
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah,
Order
looks like it's gonna
filled.
go. Yeah, I've only got $83, man. God, this market. I'm out of gold a while ago. What the heck is that, guys? I don't know. We'll try to trade something else. Yeah, I'm just a bit annoyed with the stupid price action, man. Globex Asia, what can you freaking expect, of course? I wonder if this pullback is over. I think we probably end up continue. Yeah, we had a nice little support here, 161. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the M&Q again. Fuck, I have no idea. I honestly have no idea why he's pulling back. But I do know that we had a bit of a resistance there at 240. There's no volume at all too, so.
Order filled.
All right, we'll see how it goes now. Yeah, I'm a little pissed with this Globex Asia, but I hate it sometimes. Can we get a bounce? Are we gonna flush it down or what? Jeez. Bitcoin? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here. Yeah, Bitcoin's pulling back here. Down about 0.5% in Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the gold. Actually, you know what? Bitcoin's pulling back even more now. What up with this, Bitcoin? Hold on. I kind of like this. Yeah, it's a little too late for me to get into a Bitcoin. Why is Bitcoin and Ethereum gone now? Like, what would the reason? I wonder what the reason it may be.
Order filled.
Oh, you don't know? Okay. Sounds fair. Sounds fair. Risk off liquidity, sell the rate cuts. Hey, I kind of smell Apex approved me. Let me just take a look and see. I think Apex approved me. Let's take a look, guys. Oh, it's still pending, guys. It's still pending. You know? No rate cuts. What does that mean? No rate cuts. I thought Fed Chair actually ended up saying he's going to. Hold on 1 second, guys. Have you been approved for? Mustafa, what do you mean? Have you been approved for with the Apex? Of course. Stock Tiger gets approved every day. I just got approved just today, this morning. One payout here. What is that bad boy? Right here. Here. This is the most recent one. This was this morning. Today, $2,000 in the Hala. October 29th approved. And this is another one I requested today as well. So we'll look to see if we can actually get this approved as well. And I've got more requests coming up tomorrow as well. So yeah, from a payoff standpoint, I think I'll be grateful. I'm definitely very happy for sure. A lot of stuff going on right now. Oh my god. There's a lot of conversation on our chat right now. Shorting the rip was the bet. Yeah, I agree. Shorting the rip was definitely the idea. I should have done that. I didn't do that today, unfortunately. Yeah, could have definitely been a better one. Which prop firm is that? The payout? That's Apex. That's Apex. Apex payout. The biggest mochaccino in town. Oh, and by the way, I've got what is that again? I've got this bad boy. Ooh, baby, look at that, $760, 970 bucks. This is the XFA account that I'm going to be obviously taking a payout in the next few days. I look forward to getting a payout. I'll probably make a couple $100 every day between now through maybe Sunday, because we got Thursday and Friday, 2 more days, and that's going to be 4 days, so I need 1 more day. So let's try to see. You know, I mean, I made some bad trades too, but overall pretty good, pretty consistent, guys. No complaints so far. I'm happy with where I'm at right now. You know, even the FFNX, that's the what is it called again? Funded Futures Network exhibition stage. I have no idea what this exhibition stages is, but $1,100 there, so maybe another $1,000, and that's gonna get me to I guess the funded sim account. I don't know. That's what I heard. We'll see. I'll let you guys know how this process actually works with the Funded Futures Network. I like them. I like their idea, but I need to do a little more research. I'll let you guys know. But top step, $1,700 in total profits on this XFA account. Looking forward to a payout. You know, usually when I'm like on the first 2 days when I'm up quite a bit, I usually don't give them back, right? So I kind of have the confidence that I will take a payout on this account. So maybe I'll be up 25, 30. I'm going to try and take about $1,500 in the next 3 days. We'll see how that goes. And we'll see how it goes, you know. So far, pretty good, you know, pretty good. One banker, one button, just one question, deal, no deal, let's play. You're plenty of time to sell. Apex are not very good. They deny payouts a lot. Apex deny payouts a lot. They're the biggest payout though, right? They pay a lot too. So at the end of the day, guys, at the end of the day, we as a human, we're gonna find a way to get payouts. We're gonna adapt to the new rules, to the firm's rule, and we're gonna find a way to adjust, adapt, and trade accordingly, right? And get payouts. And that's exactly what we're doing, and that's what I am doing. As far as Apex accounts are concerned, I'm going to be doing exactly what they're asking me to do, and I'm going to get the payouts. And that's what we've been doing, you know. I've got $6,000 requested now. If they get denied, I'll continue trading them for another 8 days, right? The profits are not going anywhere, right? It's going to be there. It's going to sit there. It's going to be with you along the way. And every firm's gonna have different rules, you know. You're gonna have to adjust it accordingly, right? So, and it's been a lot of fun, guys. A lot of fun. We got a lot of accounts, a lot of firms across the firms, and we're getting a lot of payouts too. So yeah, I can't ask for anything more. Now we're getting a bounce, guys. Oh, what a silly freaking market, guys. Holy. Cappuccino. The biggest cappuccino. Are you happy with the month? The bottom line of the story, I'm definitely happy. Yeah, I'm definitely happy. I've been happy for quite a while now, right? September was great. August was great. July was bad. July was like I think $9,000, a little less than 10K, pretty much. That's the only bad month I had. But every month on an average, I was taking about 30K on an average, right? So I can't complain. I can't complain. In October month, hopefully we cross that 30K. Damn it. And then yeah, we start November with about let's just say, you know, I'm really trying my level best to get to maybe a 35 funded accounts by the time we get to November, but I'll be okay with 30, you know, 30. I mean, as a trader, not copy trading, it's really hard. I'm finding it very, very difficult now. Yeah, it's really hard when you're not copy trading. You know, I tried to copy trade, to be honest. You know, I was like, you know what, let me try to copy trade some, but every time I try to do that, I get a little nervous, right? I get a little nervous, and then I'm like, you know, like when you're not feeling comfortable, when you feel nervous, then might as well not do it. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I mean, I'm trading couple. You know, honestly, I'm not looking for big runs, right? Just a very base, a couple 10 points, maybe 10 15 points. A lot of cases I'm looking for 10 15 points with 3 mini contracts. Boom, boom, boom. You know, in out. Like this morning as well. This morning I was trading this morning, right? When we were kind of chopping the whole morning, right? I was trading this. Bulk of my trades were actually done. Oh no, sorry, it's here. Bulk of my trades were actually done here, right? So there was a lot of trades going on in the morning. I was trading this small, very tight range volatility that we were getting this morning. So I still traded quite a lot, you know, even though the market was not moving as much. No, still at 40 points. I mean, as long as this market moves like 40 to 60 points, I'm okay with that. But Globex Asia, of course, I don't want to consider Globex Asia as a kind of a session to kind of take it really seriously, because I'm finding it very difficult to trade Globex now, right? But during New York though, like, you know, a 30-40 points, a quick move in and out, I think it's doable. Yeah, absolutely. It's been good so far, so we'll just continue doing what we're doing, and then we'll see how it goes. Oh man, I wish I had more contracts, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna place my stop now. Hard stop here in that in that 200. Okay, that's a hard stop. I mean, it doesn't really matter if you stop me out at this point, really. But if he wants to get a bounce, that's even better. That's good. Yeah, I got an email from Billinox that there's 2 accounts that I've not been activating for quite a while now, and so I ended up getting those 2 accounts. I set this up, and I traded that quickly today for a couple points. And it's there, 2 accounts right there. So I've got this account. I'll take it really slow. We'll see how it goes. So is Tradify actually coming up with some sort of a deal now? Let's take a look and see. No, all they really have is, I'm surprised that Licit Trader and Tradify has not come up with a better offer other than their directly funded accounts. A bit surprised, if you will. So not a bad trade, I guess, right? I mean, let me just try to take some profits now, right?
Order filled.
I took one off. Let's take another one here. Probably be down to like 4 contracts at this point. Let's see if we get a bounce back here. Well, let's see if we get a pump here, guys. Nice
Order
little
filled.
hammer candle. That's a bullish hammer candle on a 30-minute chart. You guys can see here. This is a beautiful hammer. Oh, PG, really? They're 45% off right now? Or are you saying they're 45% on the 31st? That's in a few days. All right, we are still pushing here, guys. I am going to hold this, and I'm going to try and see if we can actually keep going. I wonder if this is related to China and the US, right? I wonder if that's the one. I think that's the case, but maybe it's time to change the music. Yeah. So of course there's gonna be about 3 to 4 more accounts from Apex that I'm gonna request the payout. So I'm gonna have to make some good trades tomorrow, right? So if I can actually have on average about $600 to $800 across the other accounts that I'm still waiting, then I think I should be able to request another maybe $6,000 payout across other accounts. So that itself is gonna be like 6 plus 6. That's gonna be like $12,000 just on Apex now. So, and you also gotta go through Top Step. You also gotta go through Tradify. That I've got over 6. How much I have on this Tradify? This thing pissed me off. Where's that account? There we go. Yeah, I've got 6,000. Oh, I got $5,500 right now. $5,500. And this account, I'm not able to request the payout because my consistency is a problem right now. It's 100%. So, and I haven't traded this 2 days, man. I completely forgot. I keep forgetting to trade this accounts, man. Anyways, it is what it is. But we are keep pushing here, guys. Nice entry, good stuff. We got 5 more minutes for Tokyo now. Let's see what Tokyo is gonna bring us to the table. Is Tokyo gonna get excited and push this market all the way up again, or is it gonna dump? You guys know Tokyo and Korea opens all at the same time. So what does that mean? It's not just Tokyo. We've got Korea opening at the same time. I think the market's gonna celebrate the fact that we've got an APEC summit in Korea now, and so maybe the opening may be pretty strong. We could get some more volatility today, I think, in about 5 minutes. Yeah, it's pre-market right now in Korea, right? So we could get some volatility. I will be surprised if we don't get any of that today. Do not disappoint me, Asia. It's an Asia session, but you got Tokyo and Seoul, obviously Japan and Korea opening at the same time. That's the first opening, and then you have Sydney, which is Australia, opening next, right? And then you got China and Hong Kong and Singapore opening next, and then obviously nobody really cares about the rest. All right, so far we got 3 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes for Tokyo, and yet we are kind of stalled. We'll see. Yeah, Sydney opens in about an hour. Yeah, that's right. That's right next to, right after Tokyo, it's Sydney. Sydney session, I believe that is called the dead session. Oh, really? Why is it called that session? Nobody trades in Sydney because it's such a beautiful weather. It's a beautiful country. And they're all pretty much at the outdoor and the beach, hanging out at the beach. Right? No trading. It must be like plus 30 or plus 40 right now in Sydney. Maybe I lied. Maybe about 30. Such a beautiful weather. I wish we have something like that here in Canada for us. Right, Canadians? Fellow Canadians? Oh, maybe you got a little bit of that in Toronto. Anyways. All right, so here I am. We've got another 2 minutes. So far, we are not moving. So far, the Tokyo is not moving. It doesn't look good, man. I kind of feel like something's cooking under the surface. I think they want to bring it down. I'm going to take one more off the table. And I'm gonna have a hard stop here right underneath the VWAP. Let's see where this thing takes us now. We have some nice beaches in Vancouver, Tiger. Oh yeah, I know that. Yeah, absolutely, sir. I know that. You just need to a coat. Yeah, you just need a coat. Yeah, that's right. It's beautiful city, Vancouver. You got a lot of stuff going on there, but it's still cold when you compare that to Sydney. Yeah, I agree. You need a coat. Yeah, I agree 100%. Oh my god. You don't want to get beat up by the kangaroos, right? So maybe I don't know if I'm gonna be in Sydney. All right, guys, we got one more. How many more seconds now? 30 more seconds, guys. Tokyo. We got Tokyo, guys, in cuckoo seconds, and we are so far looking pretty good. Let's go. Oh, really? Spiders? Really? Did you know we have a black widows here in Canada? I didn't know. What? No, I'm gonna have to check with my good buddy here. ChatGPT. Doesn't sound right. They've made their way north of the border. Most people imagine black widows as desert dwelling villains from Arizona or not Nvidia, Nevada, spinning whips and whispering howdy, but surprise, they're quietly holding Canadians' passports too. What the hell does that mean? That's weird. How did they come here now? How? by plane. Anyways, guys, love this dude. Okay, all right, thank you. Black widows are well known here in Texas. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. All right, guys, are we gonna get a bounce? Gold moving up again. Well, that could be a little bit of a fake, I guess, right? Gold fake again. Well, the NQ is kind of moving, so NQ is kind of moving, guys. It's scary how it's moving right now. Oh my god, look at that mochaccino. They got there by the open borders in policy in Canada and US. Oh my god, guys, what is up with this? All right, so far not bad. We're getting a bounce, but that freaking pullback there, of course, knocked me out first, pissed me off. But it is what it is, I guess. Well, not a bad trade. Not a bad trade after all. We are getting that sort of a bounce now. Let's see if we keep pushing here. Yeah, this could be a little bit of a difficult place to kind of add, but you know what? If there's a momentum now, we could actually see this thing go. Wow, what a momentum, guys, man! Look at this. Are you serious? Look at the volume actually stepping in as well. There's a lot of volume here on a bounce, right? So, wow, good stuff. Good momentum here right now. Where's that gentleman who mentioned I look like 40? He's not here anymore. All right, guys, that's a nice, beautiful volume on a bounce shares. I kind of feel like, you know, we have some more juice to the upside now. We got a little bit of resistance here at 273, but I think we try to push. Oh, that's art. That's art. You're at 17, right? You guess. I may be. Nobody knows. So let's see if we can actually hold this 260 here. If we can hold this, I think we keep pushing here. Surprisingly, that we. Oh my god, I can't believe this, guys. I can't believe how it's like not done anything right up here. And then it's like big pump and then a big dump. Wow, what a volatility. I was definitely not expecting this sort of a move in Asia. This definitely came as a surprise to me. Pump and a dump and a pump again. Wow, not an Asian market right now. Incredible, guys. It almost kind of feels like we're gonna have a big long day tomorrow. That's all I can say. And this could be a higher low now, kind of playing out. A nice, beautiful minus support. Could be a buying opportunity kind of a play. Right, let's just take a look at the trend line here as well. We got a nice support here at 240, so let's see if that actually end up holding too. But of course, Asian market, they don't respect this levels, right? That's the problem. I mean, if this was supposed to be respected, then obviously we should have got a bounce back from 193. But it just pushed just a little more to take everybody out, and then of course it gets a bounce back up again. But anyways, I got a better entry here on this trade, so I'll be okay with it as long as we hold this area now. I've got 3 micro in trade. My entry here was at 220, and we got a nice little squeeze back up again. Let's see if this ends up holding. If we can hold this, I'm gonna get stopped out here at 244, obviously in profits, but I like to add some more, but I like to add some more, guys. I kind of feel like, you know, we get some more juice here now. Should I try to add some more?
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 5 contracts now. I'll try to add a few more. Let's see. All right, guys, here I am. 7 contracts. And I'm going to have a hard stop here at 220. Let's see. I mean, let's say if we actually end up holding this now. I'm going to be pissed if we end up getting a pullback here down into the VWAP. Wow. If we do something like this now, here, and goes like this, I'm going to be like, oh my God. I'll be okay to get a little pullback down here, get a support and get a bounce, but we'll see. Overall, looks pretty bullish, right? So I've added to my position, guys, and I'm gonna be looking to hold this long, and my stop is gonna be a hard stop there at 220. How was your trade? My trade was good today, right? My trades were good. This is my trade here. This is my trades. And then we got a lot of good traders, like their P&Ls. So you guys can check it out on our P&L section. Right? Look at this beautiful P&Ls. Oh, Monica as well. Holy man, Monica passed $100,000 combine. Really? I didn't know you're trading $100,000 combine. Wow, that's great, man. Nice, nice, nice. I like that. I like that. I didn't know you were trading 100K, which is great. Yeah, anyways, yeah, that's a lot of trades from everybody. A lot of great traders sharing their journey. Yeah, and this is my trade share today. And I lost 2 accounts as well here. I was down on 2 accounts. These are eval accounts. That's it, you know, and we got a payout. Imsky got a huge payout request is made. And I also have 3 accounts that I've requested as well today. So there's $6,000 of payout from Apex. And I've got 1 that I got approved yesterday as well. So this morning I got $2,000 approved, so that's good. And then a lot of great traders. Roa Trade, Pilonox, Bowser, Take Profit Trader, Apex as well. And my daily payouts still there. I'm kind of working on it. $600 there yesterday, and then yeah, more daily payouts. $600 here, and then more and more $800 here. It keeps coming, guys. This journey never ends. We keep going. We keep banking. We keep taking profits, making good trades. All right, guys, nice little pump here in this market now, which is great. All right, guys, I'm gonna take one off the table here.
Order filled. Order
All
filled.
right, guys, I'm down to 5 now. I'll trail my stop here into the 250s.
Order filled.
It's down to four contracts. Wow, look at this market, guys. It's a pretty serious bounce that we're getting right now. Incredible. Wish I knew this earlier so I could actually go full port on my pro cam for daily payout today. Incredible. I wish I knew. Oh, there we go. We are getting a pullback now. Maybe I kind of got into a celebration mode too early. Guys, maybe this could be a little bit of a fake. This could be a little bit of a fake, guys. Watch this. You know, Asian market, they love faking you out, right? I'm going to add to my position here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've added to my position, and I'm going to place my stop here at the break even. And I'll reload just in case we get a deeper pullback down. I'm going to reload. I don't think this bounce is over yet, but just in case we get a pullback here, I'm ready to step in the plate. I will be upset, of course. Of course. But you know what? Maybe yeah, this is the problem with the Asian market, man. It's just no juice at all. It's like a jellyfish, right? Like a jellyfish. It looks like it's pumping, and it's like all of a sudden it dumps. This is not even a fake anymore at this point. That's why I'm kind of like not having fun trading Asia anymore lately, because it's just it's just been very annoying. This price action, right? Maybe the gold could be a better play, and that's why I'm kind of looking at the gold as well right now. But gold also not moving as much. I don't know if you guys are trading gold right now. Is anybody trading gold? I wish there was something else to trade. Yeah, I mean, but if you just take a look at this NQ though, like just take a look, guys. 182 all the way into 280. We had 100 points pump right now 30 minutes ago. Asia market pumped 100 points, guys. It's no joke. 100 points. They're actually pretty big.
Order filled.
Wow, incredible bounce in NQ, guys. Wow, that's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's a huge bounce if you just think about it, guys. All right, so let's look for a continuation bounce here, guys. I don't know. That's all I can really think about. What a nice bounce. Asia market obviously being very bullish. We got Apex Summit happening right now in Korea, and Xi Jinping is now in Korea as well. Just arrived.
Order filled.
Oh my mochaccino, guys. Look at this bounce. Are you kidding me? Real? It just keeps going. 100 points bounce, guys, from that low to the trough here. 288, we bounced off from that 188. Incredible. Incredible. Thank you guys for being here once again. And guys, thank you so much for smashing the like, guys, as well. Your support truly matters, right? Yeah, what a beautiful bounce, guys. That's a over 100 points bounce, man. That's incredible. That's like a super duper massive bounce. Yeah, I'm still holding. I'm still holding right now. Yeah, I'm really hoping I get approved Apex for sure. Yeah, that's a huge one. That's a $6,000 a payout request that I made today. I would really love to see myself get payout approved tomorrow, and then maybe another couple $1,000, another, I would say 4K. Tomorrow I'll request another one tomorrow, and that could be what, another 4K. Over and above the 6K that I requested today. So yeah, it's I hope they approve. I hope.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 3 now. We'll try to hold this. I don't know. It's we're kind of respecting this trend line here. But we just ran so much, right? So I don't know. Maybe some kind of a pullback is definitely due now, I think. So I'm just gonna try and exit this trade right now.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I exited that trade. I'm looking for a little more pullback down now. We're kind of overextended, but maybe a pullback down into 250s maybe, and I'll try to go long again. And yeah, I've got funding ticks as well in how many more days? And that's a very realistic payout request that I can make with funding ticks now. Across, I think there's 5 accounts that I can request. So funding ticks payout request on 5 accounts now. $4,000. So that's $5,000 before split. They are 90-10, right? So 90%. Sorry, they take 10%. So that's also looking pretty good too. Yeah, already 2 days done across all the accounts, the funded accounts. This. Maybe not. Yeah, there's 3 accounts. God, the dashboard keeps crashing on me. I don't know why they do that all the time. Very annoying sometimes, guys. So let's take a look at it again. Oh yeah, there's some 3 days. Some are 3 days traded out of 5. Oh my god, I've got 3 days, so there we go guys. Okay, yeah, there are some 2 and some 3, and you gotta have total 5 days of trading with $150 or more, and across these accounts are like over $1,500 in total profits right now. So yes sir, few more days we could get another 5K from funding ticks alone. That could be a good start for the month of November, right? A kickstart in November. That'll be nice. All right, so we get a bounce now, or we get a little pullback here down? I wonder what it's gonna be. I kind of feel like we're overstretched to the upside. Maybe some kind of a pullback. Maybe do. Nice little V-shaped bounce, of course. I wonder, oh man, I can't believe the Asian market's done that. We talked about how volatile the Asian market could be, right? Soon as the Tokyo opens, because we got a lot of events in Asia now, today. So maybe there's a little bit of an excitement in Asia, and that's kind of ripping this market to the upside. But I don't know if we had a high during New York here at 378. I wonder if we are gonna get there today. We could, with the way it's going right now. Right, we got 307. That's another level. That's another level of resistance there, guys. 307, and then we got 377. We could do that today. I can't believe with Microsoft and the Meta pulling back over 4.5%. We're still this market's still getting a bounce back up again. So I don't know what does that mean for this overall market. Incredible strength, not for sure. There's definitely that volatility right now stepping in, so looks good. Let's see if we get one crack though. If we get one crack here, I'm gonna try and step in and go long. Okay, I'm looking for that first attempt to get a little pullback here in this overall market. Oh my god, look at that bounce. That's a lot of volume too stepping in too. What is up with this? Oh yeah, is this market not gonna give me a chance to get in again? Oh, Nick Trader. Is that you, Nick, from the Discord? Are you the mod, Nick? Or are you somebody else? Yeah, I just can't make it out with this nicknames. Really hard. I get really confused with these nicknames, guys. By the way, if I don't recognize you, you see the reason why, right? Oh, that's not you? Okay, that's plus $1,400. That's pretty crazy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for a little pullback. We're just not even getting any of that right now. So I'm kind of like, okay, well, Do I wait or do I what do I do? I almost feels like it's gonna rip before we get a pullback here, which is gonna be pretty bad. That's too far. I can't wait till 326. Monica, you still here? Oh dear. You're still here? Oh dear. Hey, by the way, congrats on your 100K combine pass. Did you pass that today? I know. And you just hit the today's like, honestly, what a surprise there, right? After that pullback that we got, I was like, you know what? No wonder we're in Asia. It did not disappoint me because we were in the Asia market. But thinking about it right now, take a look, man. How far did we actually end up going? From 160 to all the way to 300, guys. That's 150 points bounce. Are you kidding me? That's not even something we got today, this morning. That's much more than that. Holy cow, is Asia the new New York? Is that what it is? Wow, that's a huge move. We're kind of making fun of Asia today, and I guess that's what we get. I think Asia is just gonna take it up to 27. Nah, I doubt it. I mean, I could be wrong. Who knows? Obviously, NQ and the market has given me a lot of surprises so far, but in order to get to 27, we're gonna have to have a lot of good news. A lot of good news. We're gonna have to have a lot of good news. Yeah, absolutely. I agree. All right, there we go, guys. We're getting a little bit of a crack here in this market, which is perfect. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. Thank you so much. We've been consistently having over 300 concurrent viewers right from the start. A little less now, but I mean, I thank you guys once again for being here all the way, always, every day with us. It's my honor to be able to trade live, side by side, alongside my fellow traders, man, every day. It's my honor, and I thank you guys for always doing that. And I'm gonna try my level best to be more actively trading New York as well, right? So we'll see how that goes. So far, I'm kind of like two days a week trading live New York. I'm gonna try and make it a little more active, I guess, right? It comes maximum 292. What is that 292? Long entry? Oh, that's the long entry. Man, guys, this market is an absolute monster, guys. This bounce that we actually got here today, it's 150 points bounce right from the low. We didn't get that until the FOMC this morning, the whole day. And we're getting there right now. I should have known this better. The problem is that always like, give me a little warning. Oh my God, look at that bounce, man. This volume. There's a lot of volume here too. This volume that we're actually getting right now, it's much more than we got in London. Is this real? Are we actually 160 points bounce today? Oh yeah, it is 160 points bounce, man. Oh my God, it's ripping, guys. It keeps going. Is this just one of those days where, oh my God, you've got to be kidding, guys. I think shorting is a bad mistake. What is up with this, everybody? What is up? What is going on with this market, guys? Please, somebody help me out. Please. Ugh. Oh my god, I missed the whole move now. Well, I made a good trade, but I mean, I could have done a lot better. Only if I knew we were gonna move 106 points. I was gonna get ready to step in with a whole bunch of accounts, but that's crazy though. That's incredible. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a little pullback down, guys. I think 270 is definitely doable. I think, and we're not even gonna do that today. Then I guess the Bears are capito. Goodbye, Bears. I think that's what it is. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god, bounce again? You're kidding me, guys. I need a pullback. A small little pullback is all I am looking for. Can somebody push the market down? We need a real market movers. Come on, guys. Where did Justin Wright go? Justin Wright, bring it down, bro. Let's bring the market down so I can go long again. Please. Ooh. Now, once again, let's take a look and see if I've got Apex approval. I'm gonna be like taking a look at that like every couple hours. Oh, Justin Wright is here. Oh my god. You are the number one. You are the number one. Oh, see, we are getting a pullback here. I told you guys, man. Justin Wright just taking this market down. I think Justin Wright is shorting right here at 300. I think he's shorting right now with the real money. All right, guys, my Apex approval is just not yet happening. It's still pending status. Uh-oh. I really hope it gets approved, guys. I really hope. But you know what, though? They've got to approve at some point because I hope they're not thinking Stock Tiger 14 months ago, right? I ain't gonna lose accounts, right? Even if they deny me, my account's gonna just get bigger and bigger. I think they kind of realize that now, by now. So Apex is probably better off. They approve my payouts, right? So when my account size gets smaller, right? Because obviously when you get payouts, that profit goes away. So you're kind of back to like $52,000, and that's when I can kind of lose my accounts. But if you are going to constantly let me trade and deny me and let me trade at $54,000, $4,000 of profit on these accounts, there's no way I'm gonna lose this account. There's no way. So they're almost better off to just approve me, and yeah, and that way I can lose my account. At least easier that way. Approve me, damn it. A small rejection there. Yeah, 307, guys. Oh yeah, baby, let's go. God, this monkey. right, so a little pullback here down to 292. Look at the VWAP, guys. We are so far away, like 227, right? Incredible. The VWAP's right in that 227.
Connection lost.
Well, I'm at least grateful that this account is back to life again, man. Jeez. Oh my god, I'm still waiting. The market's not moving at all, man. So tomorrow's 30th again. Tomorrow's 30th. Tomorrow's 30th. So there's one account that I got payout today, and then of course I ended up making $1,000 on this Apex account, and then I'm back to like $53,000 again. Wow, I like it. So we have how many more days? We just have 2 more days to go for this for the month to be over. 2 more days. I think we could get it, guys. We could get it. 2 more days. I think I should be do. Oh my god, I think this market is ripping. Maybe try to short this market or what now? I kind of feel like I want to short this bad boy and maybe bring it down all the way to like 260. You forgot about the meetings. Yeah, we got a Xi Jinping, man. Xi Jinping and Donald Trump. DT. They're gonna have a nice, beautiful meeting right now. They're gonna have a beautiful meeting. I'm still looking for a pullback here, guys, man. Trying to go long on a pullback here. I'm just not getting any of that right now. I still can't believe we actually moved 160 points in Asia. Asia market moved the market 160 points. You've got to be kidding me, guys. Incredible. You know what? Love Durham is actually right. You know, I kind of feel like, you know, we could see a huge. Well, it depends, right? It depends. If Trump comes out after the meeting with Trump, Xi, he comes out meeting after Xi Jinping, and if he goes, okay, well, we had a meeting, but we have a lot of differences, right? We are trying to narrow down our differences, but so far we're on the right track, but we haven't really signed off on any agreements. Guess what the market's gonna do? Okay, well, thank you so much, DT, for all this freaking excitement that you gave us for the last couple of weeks. Time to say goodbye, and the market dumps like 3%, and that's gonna be like 500 points down. We wake up in the morning, the market's down like 500 points. It's gonna be like, wow. I think the market's kind of like in still sort of a buy the rumor. So far, it's still a buy the rumor, right? Because they have not gotten in a meeting yet. So maybe it's a buy the rumor, and maybe it's a sell the news right after the meeting's over. Nobody knows. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. I agree. Yeah, we may see this thing pump all the way into like 26,500 ball, you know. So I think Nvidia, of course, Nvidia with Xi Jinping and Trump meeting tomorrow, which I guess is today in Korea. But once the meeting's over, if Nvidia actually end up pushing, and if Meta and Microsoft actually end up holding, right? Even with Microsoft and Meta actually pulling back so much, and yet with the market rips, we have a chance of a strong bounce tomorrow as well. So I agree. Yeah, I wouldn't lie. I kind of agree. So guess what, guys? Nvidia right now is the highest GDP. What's the biggest countries, right? You got United States number 1, you got China number 2, And I think it's Japan number 3, right? The global GDP, the ranking globally based off countries. Guess what? It's now United States, China, and then Nvidia. Nvidia just got to $5 trillion. Incredible, guys. That's like the 3rd largest economy. Was it Japan? I don't know. Maybe it's Japan or somebody else. Or maybe it's India. I don't know. Whoever it is. World GDP by country. I'll take a look right now. World GDP. So let's see. United States, $30 trillion. China, $19 trillion. Germany, wow. I'm sorry, man. Monica, I'm so sorry. That wasn't intentional. Somehow, I thought Japan was the 3rd. But you've got Germany, 4.7. India, 4.1. Japan, 4.1. And then you got United Kingdom, 3.8. France, 3.2. Italy 2.4, Canada 2.2. Oh well, Canada, look at that. Nvidia is twice as bigger than Canada. Incredible, guys. Nvidia is 5 trillion. And that's why I said Nvidia is now the 3rd largest economy. It's just not a country, but it's still the 3rd largest corporation. United States, China, then Nvidia, and then Germany, and then India and Japan. Incredible. Nvidia is larger than Canada. Yes, I get it. Okay, all right. Nvidia. Nvidia, guys. And guess what? Maybe if you combine Apple, Nvidia, and I don't know, maybe Google and Microsoft, maybe it's gonna get bigger than China too. Watch that happen pretty soon here. What a monster, guys. What an incredible time we live in now. That's so sick, man. Incredible. Nvidia. Jensen. The biggest and largest.
Order filled.
Oh my god, we're getting a pullback here, guys. Oh dear. I don't want a dumpster. Just give me a little minor pullback. Oh man, I don't know. I better take a chance here, guys. I don't want this thing to get a bounce and then I'm like not in this trade anymore. This could be our chance to kind of take a stab on a trade for long. Let's see, 265 maybe. Oh my god, we're getting a bounce, damn it. Yeah, it's already going now. Oh my god, no! I was looking for a little pullback down. Should I add to my trade here? Oh man, I don't know. It looks so bullish. I kind of feel like still we had a nice little push. I kind of feel like we try to do this, right? So maybe break it down. So we try to pull back into this zone, and then we try to crawl back up again. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. But what a strong market so far. It's definitely been yeah, this could easily get a lot of traders into FOMO mode for sure. And then guess what this market's gonna do? Once everybody gets into FOMO mode, and it's gonna start to dump, right? $294. Oh, I'm getting a little exhausted now. I'm gonna have to have a good rest today. Oh, what a long day for me. Definitely a very, very long day. Like if I want to have a good trading session tomorrow, I better really take care of myself. And then on top of that, if we get a good news from Apex, if that gets approved, then it's gonna be like, oh my god, I'm gonna be flying all over. It's gonna be a super day. It's definitely gonna be a super duper day. Absolutely. I wonder if I have to add. I want to add some more.
Order filled.
I don't know.
Order filled.
All right, guys, man. I'm just gonna load in. I don't know. Well, I kind of waited. It looks like it wants to really move.
Order
Let's
filled.
change that to something else. All right, guys. I'm gonna go in with
Order filled.
Tradify funded account. Well, this is gonna be a pretty 2.5. Yeah, maybe this could be a straight sort of a slow grind to the upside all the way throughout the night. Could be. Maybe I'm gonna try and hold on to my long position. So I'm gonna have a hard stop here at maybe about 206, and maybe look for a little bounce back up again. Shorting gold again from 390. Wow, are you shorting gold? Really? I don't know. I don't know if I want to be trading gold though, right? It's gonna be hard. Let's see if we get a little pullback down to go long again. I don't know if we are just going to give back all the gains that we had today, right? I don't know if that's what it is.
Order filled.
Nice little pullback here down. Maybe a pull back into the 260s could be ideal. You know, a slow grind to the downside here. And then we try to get a bounce back up again and try to call back up. And get pretty close to all-time high again today, overnight. And that's going to get pretty interesting. Right, we got Apple earning tomorrow as well. And who else is there? We got Amazon and Apple. Right, Amazon and Apple earning coming out tomorrow. So we've got a lot of earnings, and on top of that, we've got China and the US meeting too. I think pretty soon now. That's really gonna move the market so much. But and who else is there? That's really it. Yeah, I've got a hard stop here at 240. So if you get a pullback all the way down to 240s, I'll have to exit my trade. Yeah. I don't know if he's gonna pull back all the way down there though. I mean, we did not get this V-shaped bounce, you know, to really bring this market all the way back down to the 240s. I don't know. I don't think so. That's a pretty incredible bounce that we got during Asia. I don't know when it's the last time we actually got this, right? Maybe it's the Trump elections, maybe, right? That's the time maybe we got something like this. But today is really pretty meaningful because Asian market never really gave us this sort of a move before. It's been a long time, and I think it's a good thing, right? It's a good thing. Never really expected though, but it's a good thing though. It's a good thing. It's from 167 all the way up to 317. That's 140 points. Actually, more than that, 150 points on an average. 160 points bounce, and that's pretty significant from an Asian standard, right? And that too in like about 30 minutes. Pretty incredible. 70s maximum, maybe 70s could be. Maybe this could catch us as a surprise. We could get a quick dump and then a quick bounce as well. So that's exactly what it's done here, right? Quick dump and a quick bounce. That kind of shook me down. When we got a pullback here, it kind of shook me out. And I exited my trade right at the low here, right? And then obviously we ended up getting a bounce, and I quickly hopped on a long, of course. Lucky me. But now we're getting a little bounce back up again from the support that we got from 281, and we are getting a bounce, man. I might try to go long here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, man, let me just go, man. Who cares, man? I'm not gonna wait for this thing pull back all the way down. I might as well just try to put a hard stop here at 268. I'm almost kind of better off. Place my stop here for 257, and that's gonna be like how much? 260. Yeah, 261. So I'm gonna be risking about 550 bucks on this trade. We'll see. I kind of feel like I'm chasing and I'm kind of late, but if this market is truly strong, then I think we get another step, and this market's gonna bounce. If this market is truly strong, but if not, then of course then we get a pullback. I am leaning more to the upside, but of course, you just never know what this market's gonna do, guys. There's too many variables right now, so there's really no point in trying to guess. But if you are leaning long, then I think it's a really good idea to kind of place a hard stop. Today's the kind of a day we want to place a hard stop, and including tomorrow as well. So, and try to understand what your risks, your risk is. Like for me, I'm placing my hard stop because I do not want to. I don't want to blow my account just because Trump comes out and starts tweeting, right? They got a lot of news. We got China and the U.S. meeting. We got earnings tomorrow, right? So this overnight, I think it's gonna be very, very volatile, just based off the fact that we've got an Apex meeting, right? Apex summit in Korea. So it's the whole day, right? There's gonna be a whole day meeting across the board on all the major countries, and Nvidia on top of that. We get Nvidia. Are we going to be able to sell Nvidia chips to China? That's going to be a huge monster revenue generator, right? So that's going to move Nvidia as well. Continuation. Nvidia is already still moving, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe we may get a little bit of a profit taking here during Asia. I don't know. It's definitely gonna get very interesting, guys. Oh man, I completely forgot about the gold. Gold not really bouncing as much, right? Gold is not there. It's not really bouncing as much as I thought it is going to do. So anyways, guys, we are getting that pullback here in Asia, right? This is the kind of a pullback we're looking for. I just wonder if we're gonna get a deeper pullback here down to 265s, or do we just get a bounce right now? Yeah, there's definitely a lot of volume today, guys, man. There's a lot of volume. And he's just moving. I think this Apex Summit is pretty significant, I guess. With China and the US meeting, probably in like a couple hours from here, so. All right, are we gonna get a pullback here, or are we gonna get a bounce? We could get a surprise bounce here, pop, boop, something like that. Let's take a look and see if Apex has approved my payout. Get a little lucky there. No. All right. Probably I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow for Apex payout, I guess. Oh my god, now it's starting to get really boring. What is gold doing? Gold getting a balance? Oh my god, guys. What does that mean for this market though? Expect the pullback in NQ, is that what it is? Yeah, man, I don't know. I kind of still prefer to trade NQ than gold for today. Are you trading gold? ASI, you trading gold? I mean, gold is getting a bounce. The thing is, right? The gold bounce and it fades. That's the problem. Yeah, I'm most probably gonna be live tomorrow. Everybody, just FYI, I most probably be live tomorrow morning. If I go live, just make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys are notified every time I go live tomorrow. Or not just tomorrow, every time. Oh my god, guys. 1 second, what is up, man? Oh my, you've got to be kidding, guys. I looked at that
Order
trade.
filled.
What was that?
Order filled. Order filled.
There's something going on. Something going on. Oh my god, nasty pullback there. God, I hate this, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god. That really freaking shook me out for sure, 100%.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Oh, that freaking trade pissed me off now. Oh wow. That's why I gotta be careful trading Asian market, of course. No, it's gonna rip. Or no, I think it's gonna rip, man. Oh.
Order filled.
I just can't seem to get this right. 1 second. Ah, what a fake, man. Ah, what a fake.
Order filled. Order filled.
145. That's really the most I can kind of risk at this point. $200. That's really the most I can do. Oh well, too bad, man. That was a sucky fake. Damn. Definitely was not expecting that. Definitely not expecting that for sure. Let's try to see if I can actually grab a little piece here. Try to see if I can actually make a little comeback here. And that was dumb though. That was dumb. That was a very dumb freaking move. All right, guys, let's see if we can actually get a little piece of the pie. I'm gonna move my stop to break even now. All right, guys, initial high here, 309. Oh man, come on, don't do that to me now, baby.
Order filled.
Oh my god, stop me at the break even. Damn it.
Order filled. Order filled.
190. I don't really have a lot of drawdown, man. This is a DLL, right? So it's gonna hit my DLL if we end up obviously this better not pull back here. Yeah, it's gonna hit DLL now. Oh my god. Come on, you can't be doing that. Let's see.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
go a little aggressive. Let's see if I can actually take a bit of a chance here. That's what happens now, guys. I only have like $200 drawdown, so any given pullback here, it's gonna go. I hope this kind of gets saved. I mean, just DLA, not gonna blow my account, but I mean, Still, I'll be pissed though because all this freaking move, man. I don't understand. Oh, it's gonna hit my DLN now. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Oh. No, that's a funded account, man. That's a funded account that I just hit freaking DLL. Fucking pissed me off, Asia market. It's such a BS market now. I can't even be trading this anymore at this point, guys. I'm gonna have to just call it. Fuck this. I'm not trading this Asia bullshit. Asia bullshit. Like what the hell, man? You've got to be kidding me, guys. It's like a freaking jellyfish in the water with no freaking reason to get a dump like that and just get a bounce. Like, there's absolutely no reason to do stuff like that, man. Incredible. Or maybe I should have just downsized, but I mean, maybe it's partly I'm responsible, but I mean, I don't know. I just don't like this price action at all, man. This is fucking garbage. Like, it's one of the most difficult thing to do during the Asian market. It's like that, and then it goes like that, you know what I mean? And then try to bounce back up again. There's nothing. It's like there's no pattern. It's like boom, like that, you know what I mean? Boom, and comes back. Like, fuck, man. This is the problem. This is the reason why it's really hard to trade the Asian market, not because of anything else. You can't predict where the price may end up going because you get stuff like this in Asian market, right? This is the problem. It's not fluid. There's no volume. Today there seems to be a good volume though. It's just that maybe I shouldn't have traded this fucking account, man. Just a little annoyed, I'll be honest. This is a $1,200 drawdown. I still have 700, but it's so hard to get it back, you know what I mean? Back up to normalcy when you're down so much in your DLL, right? Oh my god, everything was great. And of course, as usual, Asia market. I still seem to have a little trouble trading Asia market, I'll be honest. Overall, much better in the last week or two. But I kind of feel like I still... the problem is because I'm trying to make some good trades, right? So when you try to do that in Asia market, it's tough because... you know, stuff like this will happen. So I've got to really downsize, but then when you downsize, you're not making anything. So then what's the point in trying to waste your freaking time trading in the Asian market for show? You know what I mean? You may get some people trying to do it for show, but I'm really trying to actually make some trades and make money, you know what I mean, during Asian market, because I'm spending the time and energy being on the Asian market, right? Live trading, live streaming, and live trading at the same time. I want to be making some profits, but it's really hard to do that in Asia. And that's what pissed me off, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know? Or I could just go one micro and just do and you know, for entertainment purposes, you know what I mean? During Asian market. But I don't want to be doing that because we all are spending the time trying to trade during the Asian market, so I don't know. Maybe I may have to do like a couple micros only going forward. It actually started off pretty well, right? With a couple micros. But there's too many fakes though. Like fucking like these fakes are just annoying, really annoying. You hundreds of bits straight. If all you need really is sorry that you hate dealer today. That sucks in there. Asian market is slow, therefore contract size needs to be small. Yeah, I think contract size has to be small. I think that's really it. If I can downsize my contract during Asian market, I think I should be golden. But the problem is, then I gotta be happy with maybe $50 profit. I guess that's what it is. There's only so much you can actually get from the Asian market, anyways, on a regular basis, right? Today was a little bit of an exception, but yeah, it's tough. But anyways. It's tough. But was a lot of fun, of course, being with you guys, of course. At the end of the day, that's what matters. Last two trades has been the one that did not end well. I hope maybe I can recover that. I'll try to trade that during New York. Of course, it hit the LL, so I can't trade tomorrow morning. I'm gonna have to wait till another day, maybe on Thursday or Friday, and try to come back and try to you know, crawl back up again on that account. But that kind of sucks. One account kind of damaged pretty hard. We'll try to make it back on Thursday or Friday morning, New York. I don't think I'm gonna be able to trade that account during Asia next session, because I need some fast moves to kind of creep back up again, right? A quick scalp that's gonna get you like $400 or $500 in a matter of a minute, right? So I'm gonna try to do that during New York, and then we'll come back to the Asian market with a smaller contract size, and you know, and not just pretty much not look for profits, right? You just trade, just try to make good trades, but expecting a good profit, I think that's just not doable during Asian market unless you're trading gold or something else that's really moving pretty well. Anyways. Too bad. One down. Too bad. One down. During the Asian market, we'll try to call back up again. I will go live tomorrow, guys. I will be live tomorrow. Would love to see you guys back tomorrow. I will be live at about 11 a.m. in the morning Eastern time, right? 11 a.m. Eastern time, and then I will be here for Apple and Amazon earning as well. So I will be trading a lot of accounts tomorrow. So I look forward to trading and seeing you guys both at the same time. You're up in Asian market. 2 micro. Yeah, I mean, that's good, man. Good stuff. Great job, guys. All of you. Fantastic. If you guys did well, kudos to you. We'll see you guys back tomorrow morning, guys. Happy rest of the night. Thank you so much for being here throughout the rest of the whole trading live stream here. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you so much. God bless you and your family, guys. Thank you once again, and goodbye. Peace.